12:16 p.m. for northwestern Greene County. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Argyle, 7 miles northwest of Monroe, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying
Only one location.
without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
It seems like it's going northeastward.
Vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations inspected include Jordan Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.